everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm bringing you guys the Walgreens ad preview for July 9th through July 25th. Okay, so there are the deals of the week. We got General Mills cereal. It's nice to have some General Mills cereal. I'm kind of, you know, Kellogg's wasted. I'm not going to pass up the deal, but I'm just saying. But we are getting a $1 off a 2 coupon in our inserts, plus there's going to be a $1 off 2 coupon for that, making them $2.98 or $1.49. Now, usually in the past there has been a deal in Savings Star, so there might be a deal for that. Not sure, but hey, you know what? If we'll take it, we'll take it. Okay. Blue Diamonds are 2 for $6. I know there's coupons out there, but I think it's for the bagged ones. I'm not 100% sure. Now on the bottom left, you see Tide. It's going to be $4.99. It does say for the liquid that is 37 ounces and the pods that are 12 or 16 pack. Well, there are 2 different digital coupons for $2, one for the pods, one for the liquid, and then you would just pick whatever one you want. Some of you guys may have gotten these in inserts. Most of us do not get those in inserts, so we are relying on the coupons, the digital coupons. I did also contact P&G asking about them putting stuff in there, and it gave me a bogus answer. So I'm going to try to figure out something where they don't give me a bogus answer, and then I'm going to have everybody else write the same thing, because, you know, we all should be equal on getting the same inserts, okay? But with that deal, you ought to use two $2 off digital coupons. You would pay $10.97, but then you get a $5 register reward, so technically the price is going to be $5.97 or just $1.99 each, which is a pretty decent deal, so we don't get very many deals on Tide, so okay. Then we have Gillette. It's going to be $7.99. There's a $3 off digital coupon. You would pay $4.99, but then you guys will get a $3 register reward, making them just $1.99. They have the Dixie plates, buy one, get one free. There might be some digitals attached to your account. There might be a 75 cents off a 2 or still $1 off a 2, but those are usually $3.99. So without the coupon, they come out to be about $2 a piece if you guys need to do that. But definitely check your digitals if you need it. All soda is buy 2 at $6.19. You get one free. Don't do it. Don't do it. If you guys wait a week or so, you'll probably get a better deal. Here they got the Ajax and the Dawn. The Ajax at my store is $1 when it's not on sale. $1. Wow, you're saving 1 penny. The thing is, that's how they get people, you know, because they think it's on sale in the ad, and sometimes it's not. But yes, the Dawn, it's usually 99 cents all the time. There we got Suavitel Arm & Hammer Scent Booster. Those are 3 for $6.99. So basically it comes out to be just $2.33 a piece. It's up to you if you need to go ahead and do that deal. We do have the Dove body wash, 2 for $12. We are getting $1 off coupons, so you guys would end up paying $10 for 2 of them, but then you get 2,000 points, so it comes out to be $8 or just $4 a piece. Not the greatest deal unless there's some other stuff that we can stack on it, but in case you guys need some body wash. Here we got the frozen stuff, 3 for $8. Those come out to be just $2.66 a piece if you need to do that. Chef Boyardee and Snack Pack, $1. Lunchables, 2 for $3 if you guys need some snacks. I think they want to get rid of the tuna. I mean, we got 99-cent tuna, we got Bumblebee tuna 5 for $4, and we got other Bumblebee tuna 4 for $5. So if you guys need some Bumblebee tuna, make sure you go ahead and get some Bumblebee tuna. Okay, so we got some snacks, 2 for $5, 2 for $3, 2 for $6, 2 for $5, all that jazz. The Walgreens thing is still doing the month where if you spend $20 or more, you get a $3 register reward. They do have some cups, buy one, get one free. Looks like some of those are Walgreens brands, so if you guys did not know that. Now we're going to the cleaning supplies. They got Palmolive, $1.99. We're getting 50-cent off coupons. It's the big bottles, I think, making them $1.49. Gain, $4.99, and then there's a $2 off digital coupon, making them $2.99. Persil, $4.99 with a $2 off digital coupon, making them $2.99. I love Persil. I probably will do that deal because I like to stock up on it. Now we're going to be seeing a lot of back to school stuff on sale. They got backpacks, $5. Now those backpacks are not the greatest quality, But, you know, if you need them, go for it. I've gotten a couple backpacks and I've actually donated them to schools and stuff. They do have the, it looks like folders, pencil sharpeners, erasers, and index cards for 49 cents. Highlighters and folders are 5 for $1. And then they got some binders and everything, buy one get one free. Glue's $1.49. Then they got some pencils, highlighters, compositions, notebooks, 2 for $2. Basically, those are $1 a piece. They got Crayola items for 99 cents. Now, I don't know if that includes markers or all that stuff, but I'm going to definitely check it out. So, yes. They got Sharpie Expo stuff for $3.49, and then we got Bic pens, 2 for $3, and then there's a $1 off coupon. So make sure it's in there if you guys did not use it. But pretty excited to get stuff. I don't know if we'll see a lot of coupons for back to school stuff this year, because with everything going on, not everybody's going to be getting a lot of school supplies, because not a lot of kids are going to be going to actual school. Tresemme, 2 for $10. Now here it says we're getting a $3 off a 2 digital coupon. But our inserts, we're supposed to be getting a 4 off of 2. So basically, you guys want to buy 4 of them. You want to use 2 of those 4 off of 2 coupons. You would pay $12. Why did I... No, you would... Yeah. Yeah, you guys would pay $12. I can't think. But then you get the $4 registry reward. It comes out to be $8 or $2 a piece. You can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards if you need to do that. Nothing else that's really popping out at me. Almay and Revlon, if you buy 2, you get a $5 register reward. Sun Stuff. I got some Neutrogena coupons. I got like a couple dollars off. Plus there might be some deals with Ibotta. Sorry you guys, all of a sudden I'm just yawning like crazy as I'm doing this video. Mitchum, $2.99. We're supposed to be getting, it looks like a $1 off digital coupon. I don't know if there'll be any that's popping up in the ad. But you want to buy 3 of them. You guys would pay $4.98. You get 3,000 points for buying 2 of them. Comes out to be just $1.98 or 99 cents a piece if you guys need some Mitchum. I know a couple of you guys really love Mitchum. Then we got some Chic razors, $5.99 with a $4 off coupon, making them $1.99. Then if you spend $25 or more, you'll get 8,000 points. So maybe you can probably get some digitals, use some paper coupons, and then maybe printables, and we can get some deals with that. The Olay is 2 for $10 or 2 for $12, and then you get 5,000 points when you spend $25 or more. Diapers are 2 for $18, which we did get some 3 off of 2 coupons, but if you guys watched my Pick and Save Kroger deal, there's a lot better deal going on right now. Now there might be a $5 off Catalina that prints off for the Huggies. I am not sure, but I think you got to spend so much to get that. Usually the Catalinas are everywhere. Tampax, I was going to do a deal for that, but most of those are $9.99 a piece. So you guys would get basically 2 boxes for 15 bucks. You would get that 4 off of 2 coupon. You'd pay $11 for 2 boxes. Not worth it. I always get my stuff at CVS. It's a whole lot cheaper. Or you can even go to Walmart sometimes. Then we got some medicines and colon health and all that stuff, and I can't stop yawning all of a sudden. But that is the ad for this week. There is some good point deals, and there's some register reward deals. I'm excited to see what we can get, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.